The Automan here. Today we're talking about something very important. Tips to tell if a vehicle that you're looking at to purchase has actually been in a flood. I know what you're thinking. Hey, this is San Diego. We don't have these problems. Well, back in 2016, we actually did here in the middle of San Diego, Kearney Mesa area. But it does happen all over the country. And unfortunately, even in the age of Carfax, sometimes vehicles can get through. Now, these vehicles are supposed to have salvage titles or flooded titles if they're involved in a flood. And they're only supposed to be sold to salvage yards that get to take parts off of them and sell them. But unfortunately, sometimes they're reworked and make it to the streets. Now, some of the things you're looking for can be damage to headlight assemblies that have been filled with water lines in them, electronics that have been failed. We often see cars that have been in a flood. You pull the top of a computer off and there's mud or silt inside. We recommend look at the carpets inside the vehicle. Look at crevices, see if there's a bunch of dirt, stains, etc. Like I said, check the headlight assembly, see if there's water lines. Now, headlights can't always be an indicator because some headlight assemblies do leak and can get just water in them. It doesn't always mean the car was in a flood. One of the most important things is before you purchase a vehicle, get it into a qualified technician or facility such as the West Automotive Group. It'll save you a lot of heartache in the long run.
For more automotive news and helpful tips, join the Automan next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, you can always listen to Auto Talk Radio every Saturday morning at 7 on the AM 760 KFMB radio.